Good afternoon, students. Yesterday we have completed our exercise 3.1. Today we are going to start exercise 3.2. Before starting this exercise, let me tell you, in this exercise we will do the sums related to the topic that sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equals to 360 degree. Polygon may have 3 sides, 4 sides, 5 sides, 6 sides, any number of sides, but their exterior, sum of exterior angles will be 360 degree. Sum of interior angles varies according to the number of sides. So, first question, B part, I am solving for you. In this, we have to find the value of x. We are given the exterior angle 60 degree, 90 degree, 70 degree. This is x and this is again 90 degree. What we will do? 60 degree plus 90 degree plus x plus 70 plus 90 is equals to 360 degree because sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. So students, x plus adding these, all of these, we get 310 equals to 360. So x is equals to 360 minus 310, taking this on the other side of equality. After solving, we will get x is equals to 50 degree. Next, second question is, find the measure of each angle, each exterior angle of regular polygon of 9 sides. I am doing first part for you. 9 sides. We know sum of exterior angles of any polygon is 360 degree. If we have to find the number of sides, then what we will do? We will divide 360 with the number of sides. So 9 1 the 9, 9 4 the 36 and 0 as it is. So this is 40 degree. It means if number of sides are given, then we will divide 360 by the number of sides and we will get the measure of exterior angle of the polygon. Next is third question. And this opposite thing is asked to us. Here we have, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of exterior angle is 24 degree? Here angle is given and we have to find the sides. As in above question, number of sides were given, we have to find the angle. Now in third question, in number of sides of the regular polygon having measure of exterior angle 24 degree. What we will do, we will divide now 360 by the measure of angle, that is 24 degree. So 24 1 the 24, 24 multiplied by 15 will give 360. So we have 15 sides. Next is question number 4. Here they have asked, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of the interior angle is 165 degree? If interior angle is 165, here we have interior angle. Firstly, what we will do, we will find exterior angle. How can we find exterior angle? 180 minus interior angle. So 180 minus 165, it will give 15 degree. We have to find the number of sides. So number of sides of the polygon, regular polygon is 360 divided by the measure of exterior angle, that is 15 degree. After dividing, we will get 24 sides. We have 15 1 the 15, 15 multiplied by 24, it will give 360, that is 24 sides. Next is question number 5. Is it possible to have a regular polygon with measure exterior angle 22 degree? We have to find. If exterior angle is 22 degree, then again doing as it is as before, number of sides of the regular polygon could be found by 360 divided by 22. But students, when we divide 360 by 22, it gives 16 point something, like 16.36, so on. It is not a whole number. It means since it is not a whole number, therefore polygon of exterior angle 22 degree is not possible. It should be a whole number. Only then the regular polygon is possible. Next, in B part, they have asked us, can it be the interior angle of the regular polygon and why? So students, if interior angle is 22 degree, then firstly we will find exterior angle. Exterior angle will be 180 minus interior angle, that is 180 minus 22. It will give 158. Again, we have to find the number of sides of the regular polygon. We will divide 360 by 158. After dividing, you will find that it is 2.27 something like. So again, it is not a whole number. Since it is not a whole number, therefore it is not possible to have a regular polygon having interior angle 22 degree. I hope you are understanding me. Next, we have question number 6. What is the minimum interior angle possible for the regular polygon and why? Minimum interior angle. Minimum interior angle can be found by if we know the minimum possible sides of the polygon. As we know, regular polygon starts from 3, means the polygon having 3 sides is the smallest polygon, and we know that it is a equilateral triangle, and equilateral triangle has the measure of interior angle 60 degrees. So minimum interior angle possible for the regular polygon is 60 degree, that is equilateral triangle. Since it is a regular polygon having 3 sides, I have made a figure also of equilateral triangle. Again, next part is, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for the regular polygon? If 60 degree is the minimum interior angle, then its exterior angle will be maximum. So exterior angle can be found by 180 minus 60. So it will be 120. So maximum interior angle is 180 minus 60, that is 120. Again, it is of a equilateral triangle. I hope you have understand the topic. The questions which I have left, it is your homework. Try it yourself, and they are easy, so I think you can easily solve it. Thank you.